To find your Teachable API key, start by logging into your Teachable school account. Once you are logged in, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner of the page and select Site Settings. From the drop-down menu, in the Site Settings page, navigate to the Code Snippets section. This section allows you to manage and create API keys for your Teachable school. To create a new API key, click on the New API Key button. You will be prompted to enter a name for the API key. This name is for your reference only, and it can be anything that helps you identify what the key is used for. After entering a name, click on the Create API Key button. Teachable will generate a new API key and display it on the page. You can copy the API key by clicking on the Copy button next to it. It is essential to keep your API key secure, as it grants access to your Teachable school data. Do not share your API key with anyone, and only use it for authorized applications. If you need to revoke an API key, you can do so by clicking on the three dots next to the API key and selecting Revoke. This will immediately disable the API key, and any applications using it will no longer have access to your Teachable school data. To manage existing API keys, you can view the list of all API keys in the Code Snippets section. From here, you can revoke or rename API keys as needed. Remember to always handle your API keys with care, and only use them for authorized purposes. By following these steps, you can easily find and manage your Teachable API key.